Hi, I'm Joe Downard and I'm a bass player, and in this session we're going to be looking at transcribing music and how it can inspire and help develop you as a musician. When I am putting transcribing into my practice routine, I like to break it down into 3 parts: copy, understand, and make my own. Copying the music is listening to it and learning what the notes are. Understanding is knowing its relation to the music that it sits in, and making it your own is putting it into your own playing to develop your own sound and language on your instrument. To start the process of transcribing, you want to find an artist that really inspires you and find a passage of music that you really like them playing. There are loads of different things that we can transcribe in music. You could transcribe someone's lyrics, or if you play the guitar, you can transcribe someone's chord progression. Write in the comments below an artist that inspires you that you'd like to transcribe. The passage I've chosen is from a Ray Brown solo on the tune How High the Moon on Oscar Peterson's record Live at the Stratford Theatre, and there's a link below to that track. In the transcription process, I like to break it down. First of all, I like to find out what each note is in the passage. I take the music and I slow it down so I can hear each note clearly and learn where they are on my instrument. These are the notes. And once I've understood that, I then like to work out what the rhythm is. This is the rhythm. And then it's as simple as putting them both together. Once I've worked out the notes and the rhythm, then I like to really start slowly with the phrase. And as I build up more confidence, I like to speed it up until I'm playing along with the track at the tempo. Here's an example. When I first started, it would take me ages, having slowed down the music and learnt the notes and the rhythms. But the more you do it, the easier it will get. Another aspect to transcribing is understanding, and this means listening to the passage and really getting to know it. That includes knowing where the passage sits against the music you're listening to. For this example, this line is being played over a famous chord progression in jazz called the 2-5-1. It's being played over an A minor chord, a D7 chord, and a G major chord. See if you can hear that over this line. Now also, with transcribing and understanding, it's really important to learn the subtleties. As a big fan of Ray Brown, the bass player, I know that his playing style meant that he played with just one finger in his right hand. So this is something that I'll really focus on when trying to play this line, and it sounds like this. The third part of transcribing is to make it your own. And for me, what I like to do first of all is take the passage and insert it into a piece of music that's familiar for me. So I'm going to play a 12-bar blues on the bass and then insert the line where it reaches the turnaround at the end. Now at the moment, I'm not making it my own, but I'm just making sure that I understand how it fits in musically, both melodically and rhythmically. And then afterwards, I will try and change the phrase slightly, in the same context on a blues, for example, to then really make it my own. notice there how I'm really changing the phrase, changing the rhythm of it to really try and make it my own. A great way to make something your own is to change the rhythmic aspect of it. Keep the notes the same, but just play around with ideas on the riff that you've learnt. So here's the passage again, and then I'm just going to slowly change it rhythmically to really try and bring my own personality into it. I want you to really have a go at transcribing yourself. Take a one-bar phrase or a lyric or a chord progression and go through the 3 sections of copy, understand, and make your own, and really try and let it inspire your playing so that you can start to build your own sound on your instrument. I hope that was useful, and please let us know in the comments below any artists that inspire you that you're going to go home and transcribe yourself. In the next session, we're going to be looking at developing your sound and how you can expressively experiment with your instrument.